Welcome back to the Scratch Introduction to Programming course. In the last lecture, we learned how to program taking the inputs needed to do the HCF and call the HCF function correctly. Now, in this lecture, let us learn how to program the HCF function. The function accepts the larger input as the first one and the smaller input as the second one. To start programming, let us drag an if-else block from the controls category below the define block of the HCF function. Let us set the condition of the if-else block to the equal to operator. Let us set the first value of the equal to operator to the mod function, which is in the operators category. The mod function returns the remainder by dividing the two numbers. Let us set the first value of the mod function to the greater number, which is in the define block. Let us set the second one to the smaller number. Let us set the second value of the equal to operator to 0. We want the answer to be stored in a variable called answer. To do that, let us go to the variables category and click on make a variable and name it as answer. Let us drag a set block from the variables category inside the if statement. Let us set the value of the set answer to block to the smaller number. In the else statement, let us add a HCF block which is in the my blocks category. Let us set the first input of the HCF block to the smaller number. Let us set the second input of the HCF function to the mod operator in the operators category. Let us set the first value of the mod function to the smaller number and the greater number. Let us set the second value of the mod function to the smaller number. Now, below the if-else statement here, let us add a say block because we want the program to say the answer after calculating it. Let us set the value of the say block to the answer variable, which is in the variables category. Now that we have finished programming our program, let us test it out. Let us enter 6 first and then 4. As expected, it tells us that the HCF is 2. Let us try another one. Let us enter 9 first and then 6. As expected, it tells us that the HCF is 3. Yes, you can try this for any number. We have finished programming the HCF solver. Bye-bye.